Hey guys, good news for you all. Google is about to release the next version of Android, that is Android 9.0. I know few of you guys will say our device hasn't even got Android Oreo and you're talking about the Android 9.0, but Google is always one step ahead. They need to launch Android 9.0 in order to test the new operating system. First off, they will release multiple developer previews for Pixel and Nexus devices, and after a few months of testing, you guys will get fully stable public rollout of Android 9.0. Now let's talk about what Android 9.0 will be called. Like Android 7.0 is for Nougat, Android 8.0 is for Oreo, and Android 9.0 will of course start with the letter P. According to the latest AOSP commits, Android 9.0 will be called Android Pie, which makes sense as it is a sweet dish and Google always name their Android version on something sweet. A latest news from Mishal Rahman, editor-in-chief at XDA, says that Google is about to release the first developer preview of Android 9.0. It is in the final stage. Android 9.0 developer preview 1 will be available only for Pixelbook, Pixel, Pixel XL, Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. I don't think this time they are going to update the Nexus smartphones. Expected release date of Android 9.0 Developer Preview 1 is on March 14, which is celebrated as Pi Day. And Google may reveal the statue and full name of Android 9.0 at Google I/O 2018, which is happening on May 8th. Not talking about the expected features of Android 9.0. Rumor says that this time Google is going to change the user interface. They will probably remove the white quick setting tiles because most of the users are not liking it. With Android 8.1, Google already gave us an option to change the white interface to dark, but you have to use the dark wallpaper in order to change the theme. Yeah, that also means we cannot use our favorite wallpaper. So most likely Google is going to give us an option to change the white interface to dark without changing the wallpaper. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, please take a second and hit that like and subscribe button. It will really help me a lot, guys. Next major thing coming along with the Android 9.0 is the swipe gestures. You guys know that every device is going full screen, going bezel-less, going infinity, and to make it full screen, Google needs to eliminate those navigation keys. Not exactly eliminate, but at least give users an option to use swipe gestures to navigate just like the Apple iPhone 10. Another major feature coming is an advanced Google Assistant. Google is already testing a new feature in Google Assistant which will let you change the name of your Google Assistant. I mean, instead of saying okay Google or hey Google, you can name it and call it in your own way. So that's something really great, guys. Google is also implementing advanced features to Google Assistant. They are testing different languages. In future, Google Assistant will do most of the things for you. Also, Google is integrating Google Assistant to different applications. So yeah, that's all we know right now about Android 9.0 Pie. I will let you know if I get any new information on Android 9.0. Thanks for watching this video and peace out.